Hi, this is Ray. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today we are here to review the, I'm going to get this right, PQRQP wireless mic. It's supposed to have about a 300 feet range, which is football field if I look at it. So the little mics are like this right here. I have one with the sock on it I don't know how the wind is today. It's not bad, so I'm going to try both of them and see how it works. But you just turn them on and they pair with the receiver on your phone, and I'll have a link um, in the description box. That's my Amazon link. You can look at it if you want to look at all the get more detailed in the stats and things like that on there. So I'm just going to try this right now. I used to have a wireless mic. I mean, one with a wire, and so I thought I'd kind of move into the future and try out these wireless. Sorry about the dogs. I'm going to try the wireless and see how it goes. I do small YouTube channel for yard work, so this will be kind of freeing me out now. So I'm going to try it. They say it has 18 hours. I'm going to assume that both of these are about 9 hours a piece to make your 18 hours. I have not been able to find this model when you kind of Google it. For some reason, the PQRQP, when you Google it, they got a bunch of models, but I really haven't been able to find a model for this one. So just check out the link, and if you're trying to Google it, and if you're looking for a mic, we'll see if this might work for you. So the back fence is around 70 feet or so. So I'm going to walk back there and see how that goes. So this should actually work pretty good when I'm out YouTube. As far as distance, they say 328 feet. So if you calculate that's like a football field, I'm not sure I want my phone that far away from me. So my neighbor's dogs for some reason, don't like me. So I'll have to quit feeding them if they do that. So I'm about here to the back of the fence right here. This is plenty of distance for me, and I don't anticipate me ever having to use 9 hours. I might use an hour a day or so. So it should be a good fit for me. I'll change the mic out and see if you can tell the difference without the wind protector on there. There's not much wind today, so I may not have to do that. Let me try it. Okay, so this one is without the little cotton sock on top of it, little furry thing. So we'll see how this works. Yeah, I retired here lately, about a year ago. And so everything I used to do for my yard, I do for myself now. I used to pay people to spray pre-emergence and fertilizer and all that. So I decided to do that. I even bought a fogging machine to do mosquitoes. So everything I used to pay, it's that old retirement income, budget income. So let's hope the old body stays good in good shape. So we'll see how it goes. So anyway, that was both mics, and I'll put a picture in there. And like I said, there's a link in the description. It'll give you more on the Amazon thing. It'll give you more of the detail, what the receiver looks like. I'll put a picture of this on there when I'm doing this. So thanks for coming by.